You guys, today's wig is a gorgeous water wave wig from Beauty Forever Hair. It is 5x5 closure. You guys know how I feel about 5x5 closures. Like, just put it on your head and be going. It is also a pre-everything wig. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. But this is the packaging. So, Beauty Forever. This wig is so soft. And you can see how it has been styled to perfection. It looks pretty good, but you guys just look at the plucking on this, okay? Can you guys see how good this looks? Just look at how well it blends with my skin. Look at how nice that pattern is. And just look at how this wig was plucked and styled. It's on my head now. Are you guys seeing this place? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I've not even done anything to it though. I've not done much to it, but just tame the flyaway so that it will look exactly how they styled it, because it was obviously styled really well. So to preserve that styling, I'm going to use a little bit of mousse and just tie it down. But this is one of the easiest coily wigs I've had, okay? Like, it's so easy. I don't even know what else to do to it. Like, I can literally just stand up from here now and go about my day and I'm good. Like, all these things I'm saying about putting mousse and all of that is just because of you guys, just to do some extra for you guys. But on a normal day, this is how I'll just put this wig on my head and I'm out the door and everybody will be like, wow, wow. But they will know that I didn't even do anything to achieve this look. Like, this is flawless. Anyway, you guys, the link and details of this wig, as always, are going to be in the description box, okay? Just go to the description box, check it out, and get one for yourself if you like it, if you like this curl pattern. Like I said, it's water wave wig, and it is a very easy water wave wig. Very soft, very delicious, very nice. You don't need to brush it out or anything. You don't need to comb it out or do anything to it, to be honest. Like, you really don't need to. Are you guys seeing this? Alright guys, that's it for this wig. Remember, the link to this wig and all the details are going to be in the description box. This is 5x5 HD lace and this is a glueless install. Just look at it. I can see just how nice this lace is and how it melted. Like, you won't even believe that this comb is going into it. Except I push it in very well. You won't believe that this comb is actually going under it. Like, what? Just look at. I love it. This is a keeper. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I absolutely love this wig. Do you like it? If you like it, then go and get one for yourself.